Welcome to Famigo Dashcam, where calm commutes flip the script and turn into moments you can't look away from. Hit subscribe and see how fast normal disappears.
A nasty three-car crash in Thailand. Everyone tried to rush, ended up smashing into each other. When roads get busy, slow down and keep space. Patience saves lives. Stay sharp. A brutal three-car crash in Romania. Chaos broke out fast, and it got ugly. Fingers crossed everyone made it through okay. The semi-truck collided with the Chevrolet Trailblazer from behind and almost caused the recreational vehicle to tip over. Fortunately, no one was seriously injured. Always keep a safe distance and stay attentive while driving. Is that a Maverick truck doing the flip? Those things really know how to move. Super nimble for their size. Definitely stole the show with that stunt. This is a harsh reminder to slow down and stay safe out there. One way to test your suspension, and it definitely passed the test. I was so busy blaming the tiny car, I didn't even notice how dumb the design is. Makes me wonder how often stuff like this happens. It started with some road rage, but ended up as a multi-car crash. When anger takes over, chaos follows, and no one escapes unscathed. Wow, that's scary. Lucky it didn't go straight through the windscreen. A wild chase in Tontatown ended with the police trooper's car flipping, but luckily he's okay. High-speed chases are no joke. Stay safe out there. This guy just went full speed into a fence. Guess he wanted to test if walls really are the new bumpers. Spoiler alert, they're not. Time to brush up on those brakes. Looks like a parked car got slammed into. I'm guessing that's what happened here. Airbags deployed, so it was no small hit. Hopefully this is the wake-up call they needed. It didn't explode, just caught fire and burned without a shockwave. Thankfully, the people in the white car got out safely. Sometimes a quick escape makes all the difference. Wow, the car's barely rolling on its wheels, yet somehow no one got hurt. Interesting move. Why did the BMW driver swerve toward the oncoming car right before hitting the Commodore? Was it a last-second panic or just poor judgment? One's speeding, the other's crawling. Together, they make the perfect recipe for chaos on the road. Oh, come on, you can't park there. That's just asking for trouble. Good to know his brakes work, Lowell. Guess those brakes aren't the only thing holding that car back.
Are you okay?
When the cops showed up, both cars were still upright. Just a regular rear-end crash with some extra damage. Those wipeouts? Total stunt car material. Looks like the cameras stopped rolling. What a finale. Oh wow, amazing he didn't flip. That was a close call. Definitely stolen if he ran off X and no way anyone drives like that and just walks away clean. Wow, that ute was like, hold up, I'm coming to help, and then totally crashed the party. Oh no, looks like that truck totally lost control. But hey, our guy kept his cool and stepped up like a true hero. He saved everyone on the street. Talk about clutch. Sometimes all it takes is one calm mind to turn chaos into a miracle. Couldn't have gone any better.
No.
Oh wow, the truck just flipped over. So, is this an ad for those ladder racks? Because they look solid as heck.
Starting audio recording.
Whoa, a major incident just went down right outside a theme park. Traffic's probably backed up for miles. Hope everyone's all right. I'm guessing the blue car ran a red light? Oh no, he got rear-ended pretty hard there. That's gotta hurt.
Given the no fact.
Oh, here comes the Yaris doing its thing. Small but feisty. Oh no, the Mazda failed to give way to oncoming traffic and got T-boned by a van. That hit looked serious.
What are you doing, Mom?
The Range Rover was just trying to snag pole position. Too bad the road's not a racetrack. The light just turned green for the DC driver 1 second after the crash. Looks like both drivers were racing the red light and lost. Man, that's confusing. No stop or give way signs, and the road markings are all mixed up. If anyone's to blame here, it's definitely the council. Both of them should definitely lose their licenses after that mess. No two ways about it. Oh man, not so tough. After all this, Ford met a South Australian Stobie pole and lost. That collision didn't end well. Well, this orange car just plowed right into a store. Looks like someone thought it was a parking garage. Spoiler alert, it's not. Time to rethink those brakes. A Ford Ranger just ran a red light and slammed right into a Porsche. Luckily, everyone walked away totally fine. A nasty collision between two cars right in Mount Martha. Both vehicles took quite a hit. Hope everyone walked away safe. That crash totally wrecked one car, and the other driver was clearly at fault. Tough break, but thankfully no serious injuries. No, the pickup truck was minding its own business in the right lane, then suddenly decided to switch things up, cutting across two lanes to make a left turn. Unfortunately, the blue Hyundai in the left lane wasn't on the same page. Two different angles, same messy crash on Great Eastern Highway. No injuries though, so that's the lucky part. Falcon's done for, and now it's the waiting game to see what's up with the other car. Oh no, the silver Ford WD ran a red light and did a hospital flip. Luckily, everyone got out safe, just a bit shaken up. Tough break, but glad they're both okay now. Oh no, a Honda Civic slammed into the back of stopped traffic at Oxenford. That's a classic case of not paying attention. Oh man, out in Moraine Rock, Western Australia, a road train tried to overtake another truck and ended up rolling the dog trailer. That's one intense fail.
Holy! Holy fuck.
Oh, I thought it was going to happen. He just tried to... That car stopped.
This guy just tried to squeeze between two cars like he's inventing a brand new lane. Nice creativity, but that's not how traffic works, champ.
There was a car accident.
Well, even though you seen him coming, that was a big hit. Wow, hope they're all right. Oh no, that's a classic case of too close, too fast. The car rear-ends the big semi and ends up flipping right into another vehicle. Talk about a domino effect. You gotta leave enough space, especially behind those trucks. Otherwise, you're just asking for trouble. Oh no, the orange driver sped up and I swear he tried to pit maneuver the other car. Then he honked after the crash. Seriously? Sounds like a super aggressive driver who just can't handle being stuck behind anyone.
Okay. Oh, fuck!
Well, both got the yellow. No winners here, just two drivers stuck with the blame and a mess to clean up. That flip was wild. This crash looks straight out of an action flick. Hope everyone managed to stay safe in that chaos.
Cover cut! Holy shit! Anybody under the car? No. No, there we go. Shut it off. It's running.
If I remember right, he was actually just returning it. Guess this was not the smoothest way to do it, though. That would have been an expensive trip to the shops. Hope the wallet's ready for the repair bill. Oh no, someone thought they could pull an illegal U-turn right under the rail underpass on Cheltenham Road, Dandenong. They didn't even check their mirrors. That's what happens when you try to race the light change. Clearly had plenty of time to stop, but didn't. Gray Sportage didn't signal, slammed brakes, but got away clean. Funny how the starter walks free.
Oh!
I guess they knew a faster route.
Some up with you, though. Almost there.
Guess this guy will never make that mistake again. Not the cam car's fault, but here's the lesson. Braking beats swerving any day. A little brake might have softened the hit, or even stopped it. Swerving just ended up with both cars in the same lane. A pickup truck just smashed into the front of another vehicle so hard it popped the hood right off. That's one powerful hit. The car crashed and started driving on two wheels like a circus act. Lucky it kept its balance before things got worse. Imagine if the gray car actually checked before diving into traffic. They could have skipped that accident entirely. Well, the hatchback caused the crash, but the other driver wasn't exactly driving safely. He had plenty of time to slow down and stop, but didn't. When you're impatient, you definitely pay the price. No shortcuts on the road, folks. Looks like the pickup truck driver braked a little late and rear-ended another pickup truck. Where's that automatic emergency braking when you need it? Oh man, nearly got hit head-on by a driver who nodded off behind the wheel in Brisbane. That's some scary close call right there. Oh no, a 4YDD ran a stop sign and got T-boned by a white car. That hit looked nasty. Proof that ignoring traffic signs can lead to serious trouble. Always stop and look both ways, folks. Oh man, the car crashed into a tree, flipped over, and caused quite the chaos. That's one wild chain reaction. Failed to stay stopped at the stop sign and caused trouble. That's a rookie mistake right there. The MG passenger must have been thinking, really? That's the plan? After that driver's move.
Today's Famigo Dashcam comes to a close. Drive safe, stay alert, and keep that seatbelt fastened. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.